Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hi guys, and welcome to another video of Technical Jaharji. After a long wait, or you can say after a long time, I'm again back with my unboxing video. And in this unboxing video, I'm going to do the unboxing of Oppo F9 Pro. So let's find out what are the specifications of this phone. So I'm your friend Manish and you're watching Technical Jaharji. So let's get started with the video. So this is the F9 Pro of the Oppo, and on the back you can see it's a very shiny device. Plus, if you talk about this device, you can able to see a diamond cut over from this device. So let me show you the diamond cut on this device. Let me just take up a bit. You can see a diamond cut on the back of this device. If I talk more about this device, so on the back side you can see that over here is a fingerprint sensor, and behind it you can see an Oppo F branding. On the back you can see a dual camera which is of 60 megapixel plus 2 megapixel, and on the side you can see a flash. So 60 megapixel has an aperture of 1.8 and 2 megapixel camera has an aperture of 2.4, and on the side you can see a power on and off button, and on the top you can see a secondary mic which can be used for your voice cancellation. And on the behind you can see a 3.55mm jack and one primary mic plus a normal USB charging point and a slot for your speaker. And on the side you can see a volume rocker button, up and down button, and on the side a SIM card tray. And let's open the SIM card tray. So let me show you that how the SIM card tray looks. So it has a slot for your both the SIMs, as you can see, plus a dedicated slot for your memory. So this is a very good point from the Oppo, that is providing us a dual SIM plus a memory slot. If I talk about the display, so you can see the 6.3 inches of display, and the aspect ratio is 19:9, and it's very bezel-less, almost a display. You can see a water drop on the top which has a plus primary selfie camera of 25 megapixel. So this is not an ordinary notch which you can able to see. This is a normal which you can see a water droplet notch, the design which the Vivo is using and the Oppo is using. Plus the Oppo is again rebranding this phone as a selfie camera of 25 megapixel. So let's just go to setting and let's see what it all is offering. And once in the settings menu, so let us go to the about phone, and on the about phone you can see the device name, the model name, and it's using the Color OS on the top of your Android version of 8.1.0. so this is the latest Android which they are providing. Might be in the future, as they said, that it will be upgradable to Android Pie. And the processor, if I talk about it's using the MediaTek P60 2 GHz processor and 6GB RAM, and this is the 64GB processor. And if I talk about the memory available, if it is with the system, is 45GB available. So you can use still a pretty amount of GB available memory with this. And if I talk more about the settings and locks and the fingerprint scanner, how the fingerprint scanner is logging, so quickly let me put a fingerprint scanner lock over here, as you can see, and let us do the testing of this fingerprint scanner. So as I open up the fingerprint scanner, oh, this is very quick, fast. Even if I just touch it, the fingerprint scanner is working very quickly over here. So this is very a quick response from the fingerprint scanner. A very much impressive design with this phone, and this is a quite a quick response design from this phone. So the fingerprint scanner is working very fine. It's quite fast over here. So let's test the face unlock as well. Let me just quickly set up my face unlock over here and just show you quickly. I have already set up the face unlock feature over here and enroll face info. So I quickly just click the face unlock feature. So just let me face unlock, and let me look at the face. Oh, quite responsive over here. The face unlock feature is working very quickly over here. As soon as I look over the face unlock over here, the phone is getting unlocked. So nowadays with this flagship phones, the face unlock is working very fine and is very quick with the fingerprint sensor. And the charging which they're providing is of 5 volt and which they said it is of a walk charger, fast charger, and the company has said that even in the 5 minutes of the charge you are getting the 2 hours of the talk time. So this is a quite big charging point which they are providing, very quite fast, which they are providing as they advertising as well. And it's of the 4 ampere battery, so this is a quick charger which they are providing with this phone. So all over this phone looks very impressive. And in my another video I'm going to do the camera review of this device as well. So just quickly let me show you the camera quality of this phone while taking out a picture. And if I talk more about the price ranges of this phone is 24,000 and it's available on the Amazon right now. So just before I close down this video, and just let me just quickly show you a quick camera sample about this device. So just let me just open up a camera application from this phone. So this is the camera application, and as I pick this device you can see the picture is very clearly. I hope do you like this video. Don't forget to share and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.